Hey guys, George here again from Tideline Marine. Hey, this weekend I was out fishing on my boat and I noticed I had some fishing line stuck in my prop, which got me to thinking we should talk about changing the lower unit oil and how important that is. I cannot tell you the correct time of when you should do it for your motor. That's something that you're going to have to look up in the service manual or talk to your dealer about. But what I can tell you is the tools that you need to do it with and what you're going to need to make it get done in your driveway in your time. So, let's take a picture of this here. This is our beautiful Johnson 150 horsepower motor used for sale in case anyone was interested. Now, if we look here on the lower part of the motor, see, there's your shaft. There's a hex bolt here, and there's another one down here. That's here on this BRP product. Okay? So this is where you're going to drain and fill your lower unit oil with. A few things that you're going to need. Obviously the driver to get those screws out. You're going to need some gear fluid. Now this HPF Pro here may or may not be for your motor. You're going to have to decide that by looking through the service manual, but you'll need some sort of gear lube, right? And you're going to need this fancy dancy gear lube pump, which we also have here on sale today for $8.95. And so when you do this, ladies and gentlemen, you have to make sure you pop open the top bolt first, and it's called the vent valve or screw, whatever you want to call it, and then you drain it from the bottom. One thing, someone came in here last week and asked me, they said, we fill it from the top, right? Wrong. You need to remember that when you're putting the oil back into your motor, that you pump it up through the bottom of the motor. Now, if you have more questions about that, please come into the store and we can hook you up with one of these fancy bucks that will tell you everything you need to do with your motor, right? We have some for BRP products, for Mercury, for Volvo, everything. So, coming down and see us today.